Good morning, everyone. Myself, Assistant Professor Chetan Devashish Ghosh. And today we are going to discuss a topic, hire purchase agreement. Well, we will try to understand what exactly hire purchase agreement is. When an entrepreneur or else a purchaser or else a buyer enters into hire purchase agreement, simultaneously we are also going to learn what are the various aspects that we need to take care of when we are entering into a hire purchase agreement. So, for our understanding, let us take one case. We have two parties here, Mr. A and Mr. B. Let us highlight Mr. A in green. Well, Mr. A is an entrepreneur. He has his own business, but he is a new entrepreneur, wherein he doesn't have much credit worthiness in the market. So he cannot go for a huge loan. And all the funds that he had was invested in his business. However, he has realized in order to boost his production or manufacturing aspect that then he has to go for a new asset. So he goes in the market, does a research, and he comes to know that there is a machine available in the market which can definitely help him to increase his market share, increase his productivity and efficiency as well. As a result, he meets to the vendor. Let us highlight vendor in in blue. Now, vendor, the seller of this asset, is okay to give him, it means he's okay to provide the asset to the entrepreneur. However, he needs something. The first thing, he would be taking the principal amount of the asset. However, along with that, he would like to take interest. So that is where he shows an interest in order to sell the goods to the entrepreneur. Now, being an entrepreneur, as far as our syllabus is concerned, we need to focus on the entrepreneur, that how the interest would be charged to the entrepreneur, how the installment would be paid by the entrepreneur. Now, as Mr. A and B is dealing with an asset, the entrepreneur has to also take care of the depreciation. So we need to check and understand how the depreciation is calculated. And then we need to know how to pass all the journal entries which are required to be passed in the books of entrepreneur. So our scope of study in terms of hire purchase agreement is to know how to calculate interest, to know how to calculate installment, to know how to calculate depreciation, and to know how to pass journal entries for all these transactions which are going to happen between vendor and entrepreneur. So let us see how we are going to learn interest in our upcoming video.